Welcome to our channel. Activating the DirecTV Streaming App on your smart TV is quick and easy. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store. Depending on your TV brand, this might be called Samsung Apps, LG Content Store, Roku Channel Store, or Google Play Store. Step 2. Search for the DirecTV Stream app in the App Store. Use the search function and type DirecTV Stream or DirecTV. Step 3. Download and install the DirecTV Stream app on your smart TV. Select the app from the search results and click Install or Download. Step 4. Open the DirecTV Stream app once the installation is complete. You'll find it in your list of installed apps on your TV's home screen. Step 5. An activation code will appear on your TV screen when you launch the app. Make a note of this code or keep it visible. Step 6. On your computer, smartphone, or tablet, visit the DirecTV Stream activation website shown on your TV. This is usually directv.com/stream/activate or similar. Step 7. Enter the activation code from your TV into the website. Sign in with your DirecTV Stream account credentials when prompted. Step 8. Wait for the confirmation message on both your TV and the website. The DirecTV Stream app will automatically refresh and you can start watching live channels and on-demand content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.